Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment. Sustainable Happiness Week 5th, assignment 5th. So the first question is sustainable leadership is a shared responsibility that unduly depletes human or financial resources. So these are the option true and false. So let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, it is a shared responsibility that does not unduly depleted human or financial resources. So the answer of our first question is B. False. Now the second question is which of the following is not true. So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, complex transnational issue cannot be solved by political institution alone. So the answer of our second question is B. Complex transnational issue can be solved by political institution alone. Now the third question is which of the following term is not used interchangeably to link sustainable practices with leadership and management. So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, eco-sensitive leadership, green leadership and sustainable leadership are used interchangeably. So the answer of our third question is A, eco-reductive leadership. Now, the fourth question is demonstrating honestly and moral values in both their professional and personal life so that stakeholders see sustainable leaders as role model highlights dash competency of sustainable leaders. So these are the option integrity, courage, transparency, open-mindedness. So let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question fourth, integrity, demonstration, honesty and moral values in both their professional and personal life so that stakeholders see sustainable leaders as role model. So the answer of our fourth question is A, integrity. Now the fifth question is which of the following is not important while selecting sustainable leaders. So these are the option educational level, functional career background, international assignment experience, religious background. So the answer of our fifth question is D. Now the sixth question is competency based interviewing for sustainable leaders assesses the dash. So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question 6, competency based interviewing, sustainability mindset, skill for system thinking, relationship building skill. So the answer of our sixth question is D, all of the above. Now the seventh question is the ideal induction program includes support from dash. So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question 7, the ideal induction program includes support from someone who can coach or mentor. So the answer of our seventh question is A, someone who can coach or mentor. Now, eighth question is dash is one of the most common health issue in the workplace can lead to physical consequences such as hypertension, digestive troubles, chronic itches and pains, and heart problems. So these are the option: chronic boredom, social media use, chronic enjoyment of work, chronic stress. So let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question eight, chronic stress is one of the most common health issue in the workplace. So the answer of our eighth question is D. Now the ninth question is does make cautious decision on when, what and how to consume, prioritizing quality and longevity over quantity and to prefer safer and more sustainable options. So these are the option maximalist, minimalist, materialist, none of the above. So let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question 9, minimalist make cautious decision on when, what, and how to consume, prioritizing quality and longevity over quantity, and how and to prefer safer and more sustainable options. So the answer of our ninth question is B, minimalist. Now, tenth question is does leadership is more empowering from of transformational leadership. So these are the option: stable, transactional, traditional, skewed. So let's check the answer of our tenth question. So question 10, steward leadership is more empowering from of transformational leadership. So the answer of our 10th question is A, steward. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.